to one of my vacation house. Tinatawag nila to na Billionaire's Village daw.
Pero you mean, binili mo to, nag-loan ka? No.
Cash po.
Cash, oh. Ikaw talaga.
Naranasan ko pong magbakal bote. I was bullied because GRO po kasi yung nanay ko. Paglaki ko daw, magiging ganun ako.
Kailan ka naging bilyonaryo?
I think I was 21 years old.
Totoo ba?
Half. Miss Karen, so welcome to one of my vacation house.
Guys, okay.
So whenever I'm stressed or sad, ito yung go-to place ko kasi sobrang tahimik, yung mafe-feel mo lang yung huni ng mga ibon. And